welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Sai World Empire, a premium luxury residential township developed by the Paradise Superstructure, which is located at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. But first, let's take a look at the scale model. So this is the beautiful scale model of this project. Sai World Empire features multiple towers with a high-rise structure of ground plus 3 podium plus 37 residential floors, ensuring spacious living, low-density living environment and panoramic views. If we talk about the connectivity, so project offers you excellent connectivity like Metro railway station is just 3 minutes away, Mumbai-Pune expressway is just 10 minutes away, Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 15 minutes away, golf course is just 5 minutes away, ISKCON temple is just 5 minutes away, Corporate Park next BKC is just 5 minutes away. And if we talk about the amenities, project offers you world-class lifestyle amenities like bowling alley, badminton court, indoor game room, swimming pool, yoga zone, football court, gym. Talking about pricing and configuration, so the tower for Cleopatra, which is offering you 2 and 3 BHK residences, 2 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 830 square feet to 1490 square feet, price starting from 1.85 crore onwards, and a 3 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 1210 square feet to 2165 square feet, price starting from 2.75 crore onwards. So this is the 4 BHK sample flat of Sai World Empire. So let's start from the entrance. As you enter, you come into this grand living room which really feels spacious and well lit. Also, this living room comes with this attached balcony. So this balcony adds very open and airy feel to the room, and it's perfect for your morning tea or coffee, or you can add your small sitting area as well. You can enjoy fresh air and natural light. Also, it connects indoors with the outdoors beautifully. Next to this living area, you get here 6-seater dining area, which is perfect for family dinners or for guests. And now if we move to the right hand side, so you get here the spacious kitchen, which looks really very classy, and you get here the parallel platforms, one for the dry area and one for the wet area. And also this kitchen comes with this attached dry balcony, so you can keep your washing machine there or for the extra storage. And now let's move to the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. This is perfect for your kids or for the guest. Along with this, you get here wardrobe space, which looks really nice. And now let's go to the second bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, which comes with an attached washroom. This bathroom features a modern design with elegant finishes and high quality fittings, and it is well planned, spacious and ventilated, offering a fresh and comfortable experience. And you can see how spacious it's looking. And you get here separate wardrobe space and the dressing area to get ready comfortably. And now let's go to the third bedroom, but let me tell you that this project comes with a butterfly layout. So now let me show you the third bedroom. So this is your third bedroom, which looks really royal and classy. As you can see, you get here separate area for your side table, and this bedroom comes with this attached balcony, which is perfect for natural light and for the ventilation. And also you have your attached washroom, which is perfect, looks really nice, and it features a modern design with elegant finishes and high quality fittings. Also, this is very well planned, spacious and ventilated, offering a fresh and comfortable experience that matches the overall luxury of the home. And now let's take a look at the fourth bedroom. So this is your fourth bedroom. You can see the nice foyer area over here, which gives super privacy. And as we enter, you can see how spacious this bedroom looks, and it comes with this attached balcony. And also the bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 both are very spacious. And talking about the washrooms, so here you get this washroom. And also here you get this dressing area, and attached to this you get this wardrobe area over here. So one of the best feature of this home is that every bedroom and even a living room has a balcony, which gives excellent light, ventilation and very open and premium feel. Overall, this 4 BHK is designed for luxury living with proper privacy, smart layout and very royal experience. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.